Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. And let's see who this is from. We have cross stitch kits. I'll get it out of there. Alright. So this comes from NewCraftDay, and we'll start with one and go right to one. Alright, I put that up there, out of my freeway. Okay, so this has a little bitty picture. I will put a picture here. Alright, so this is called Garden Birds, and as you can see, it's got flowers, it's got a fence, it's got a birdhouse. So yeah, I just thought it was everything that looked like summer, with the birds flying around and all the blooming flowers and everything. This is a 50 by 40. Hang on just a second. Alright, I am back. So anyway, very nicely printed. It has 40 colors. It has no 310 black. It has 823, 824, 939, no 3371, and no 3865. But very nicely printed. It looks like it's going to have some confetti parts, because you got all that detail, but it does look nice. Now, this has the product number and how big it is. It's 40 by 50, so it should be decent size. And it does have how many squares per square. It's 147 by 190. So, and the paper pattern will match the canvas. So let's get to the colors. That's the exciting part, right? Okay, it does come with a toolkit. I think we have the puppy dogs because I can't see it. Yep. 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And I don't even think, I can barely see it. So, yeah. Put that aside. It does come with a small instruction page. The same one that's on the back of Joy Sunday. It's pretty standard. And, yeah, that's very nice if you've never done this kind of thing before. Let's take a look at those colors. Just gonna move those scissors because, you know, crap happens with me and I don't want to drop that on my toe. I really don't have time for injuries. Get rid of that bag. Okay, it comes with a hank of 3756, which is kind of a pale mint green, if you will. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Loved all the colors in this. I just thought it was gorgeous. And just so happy. So we got some teal, goldish, like an antique gold. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. And let me get it. Hang on. Everybody's all mushed together. Alright. Some nice, beautiful, bright colors. I guess this is what they're using for the brown. I'm not sure what color that is, but it's very nice brown. And for that fencing and that birdhouse. Holy cow. Words are hard today. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. So may have to start that one soon. Why not? We need another start because we don't have a thing going. Hold that thought. Alright. Get it wound up so we don't lose anything in the interim. Let's take a look at that canvas, because from what I could see there were like blotches of confetti, and then you've got rivers of color as well. So I'm glad it's a 40 or 50 by 40, sorry. It does have the product number just like the paper pattern and how big it is and how many squares per square at the bottom. Nice key. It is serged all the way around, and the stitching does not go into the numbers, but your numbers match your paper pattern, so everything should be copacetic there. Very nice printed canvas. You don't see any smears, no mess ups, nothing. Let's go this way. It is 51.5 that way, so it's 1.5 centimeters bigger than it said. And it's 40.5. It's a ½ centimeter bigger in the other direction. Actual size is 44.5 centimeters, or a little over 17.5 inches by 13.25 inches, or 33, little over 33.5 centimeters. So it's a nice size. It's not one of those great big huge canvases. It does have some big areas to stitch, I'll give it that much. Number 35, which is 3756. So that must be that pale peach color, or what the heck was it? Mint. The mint green. Yeah. The mint green up in here. Just so it gives it some light to the picture. I know you probably can't see all that, but you understand what I mean. So very nice. Do you like that? And that kit was $12.05. So let's get on to the next one. And when you see this, you'll know exactly why I got it. It's a 40 by 55. Get everything out of its bag. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I found another one. I found another one. Hang on. Yeah. And this is one I'd never seen at any other store. Yep, it's the cats. Is that not cool? That is just, I just love it. Yeah, I love these cats. And the way they're done, it's just awesome. Just absolutely stunning. I'm trying to get it so that it holds back so you can see the whole picture. There, that's better. I know he's got a line down his face now. What can I say? It is a 40 by 55. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. This is a great big paper pattern. And it has its instructions down here. You know, all included on the paper. Nice key. Very easy to read. Some might have to have it blown up. That's fine. This has 50 colors, everyone. Oh my goodness. I can hardly wait to work with these oranges and these blues. It has the color code going down the side. I don't know what else to call it. And, you know, everything is printed very nice. Let's see what we got. We got 310 black. No 550 purple. 823. No 939. And it does have 3865, which is your white. And 712 is kind of light too, so that might be your light tones. But yeah, I just love these cats. I can't. They're just, and when I see a different one that I don't have, yeah, gotta have it. Very nice. And the paper pattern will match the canvas, which is awesome. Love that part. And I can't tell from this picture, because the picture's too big. I can't take it all in to tell you whether or not it's got a lot of confetti in it, but we'll see that in a minute. It does come with another toolkit, poof ball, 5 needles, thimble, and needle threader, and we also have the puppy dogs again, which you can't really see. Okay, So I'll just put, whoop. Man, if I hit that bell today again one more time. Let's look at the colors. I'm anxious. Pull that out. Okay, we have a couple hanks here. We have 310 black and 310 black. So I thought maybe it was 2 colors, but it's just the way the light was shining on it. So 2 skeins, 80 threads of 310 black. Yeah. It's, oh, and there's so many threads on the card, they wrapped them both individually. That's weird. Okay. We'll go with that. Don't give me any more hanks, you know, just wrap them all together. Okay, we're just going to set that there, and we'll get the other one done. Hang on. So, yeah, it's going to have teals and blues in it. Galore. Look at those colors. Can you? Oh. Love them. Yep, I love these cat pictures for being so bright and so vivid and so nice. They're cheery, you know. And who doesn't need cheer in their life, you know? And cheery things. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Blues, greens, oranges, salmon color. I guess that's kind of a salmon color. You have red. I'm not sure what that red is. It's kind of bugging me. What color red is number 12? Looks like $4.98, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's $3.21. Did I miss that? 12 is $4.98. Yep, $4.98 red. $4.98 red, $3.21, and $2.21 are the 3 reds in DMC that I like. So one's Christmas, then there's this, and then there's the $2.21, which is more of a brick red. Yeah, like that too. I think that's what I'm doing Hope and Love on with, is $2.21. Beautiful. Just, love them. Too much yumminess. I'm telling you, there's not enough hours in the day. Not enough hours in the day, but yeah, this will get started very soon. I'm just going to have to. Okay, this one is also serged, and I put my scissors up. I forgot about the other one didn't have any little fuzzies on the end. Who knows? But I'm glad it's serged. This one's kind of long and skinny. Looking very nicely printed. Oh my gosh, look at all that 310. Wow. Yeah, but it is kind of confettied. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. And hopefully you can see that. But yeah, it's a bit confettied here and there. And then it does have rivers. So it's a little mixture of both. But yeah, very nice. Let me unfold it. And it does have, see if I can turn it this way, product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And this one isn't darkly printed. You know what I mean? It's kind of light, but you have a lot of lines and circles, not full coverage like that green or that lime green, or there's pink in there. They're just not real dark, except for that number 6. But very nice. Love it. Yeah. What can I say? I'm going to have to get all my cats together and put them in one place so I know where they're at when I get tired of stitching on something else. Okay, it's 56 centimeters that way, or 22 inches by 40 and a half, or 16 inches. Nope. Yeah. And actual size is 13 and a half, or 34 centimeters by 49 and a half, or 19 and a half inches. So yeah, it's got some size to it, but it does have big spires. So I would say that the the confetti, it's not minimal. I would just say that it's sprinkled here, there, and everywhere. But it's not all confetti, you know, because like I said, you got some rivers, which makes it so much easier and easier to work on. It's not a London or a New Orleans, you know. Every third one was a new color. I was like, oh, holy cow. You could get out one strand and you'd probably have them like this. You know, it was, gotta be in the mood. Gotta be in the mood. And did I tell you this was 1076? And yeah, we'll be starting this very, very soon. Just so I have all my cats started. I have all the Tai Chis started. Yeah, get everything together. Organized. Yeah, organized is definitely not my middle name at all. All right, now NewCraftDay does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for both. They also do custom. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section, which is fine. And they're mixed in, but they are marked as Joy Sunday. And if they have any specials or deals, I will put that in the description box below. And as far as I know, they have free shipping on orders over $45. Do check them out. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits, which we'll have to start them all, or both of them, very soon. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.